G'day, it's Richard again. I'm just going to run you through my boat hoist boat loader system. Boat hoist is made on the Sunshine Coast, very good quality product. This one was custom made a little bit to fit my racks. They usually just go on a roof rack system. So yeah, I'll give you a quick run through. So basically these side arms, you'll see, are your runners for your boat to slide off on, okay? So, and then just undo these two bolts. Okay, this just comes off like so. You bring it around this side here, and this side of the car. I've already got the other one off, just to save a little bit, show you a bit quickly. So that sits in there like so, okay. And then you have to undo the boat. It has like little these little brackets that hold through the gunnels. I'll show you them. These things here, so that'll sit inside the gunnel that way, and then you tighten it up from underneath. You drill 2 holes through the plate and it pulls it tight, so you don't have to put straps on your boat to hold it down. So it's a lot more convenient, probably a lot better than having a strap over the top as well. So that won't let go. When I went up to Cape York, I put double nuts on them so they couldn't rattle loose. Perfect day. Slides in this little bracket here. Hook up the hook to the little thing that mounts on your gunnel there, just to attach the winch to. Okay, it runs back through here onto your Anderson plug. So I could either use the Anderson plug where my tow hitch is, or I've got an extra Anderson plug in the back here where I've got my fridge and stuff. So I tend to run off that, it's just easier. I don't have to start the car because the other Anderson plug doesn't work unless the car's running. Okay, so now all you do, get it up underneath here. Now it's come down to that point, it'll go on its own. Okay. Way down. Quite easy. You're not underneath it, so it's not dangerous. You're not, you know what I mean, like it can't fall on top of you. You've got this space under the car here if you need to get underneath it for anything. As you can see, the winch rope is slowing it down nice and slowly. Okay, you can see my engine is mounted inside on the Easy Trolley, and we'll show you how that comes out later on. It's just a lot easier way to carry your outboard motor. Okay, so I get to this point here now, right? So it's on its side. Now with the trolley set up, right? What do I need to do? It's really easy. I'm not having to use much effort here because it's already got the slides sort of thing. I stand up on the side. So that I can get to those 2 bolts under the bottom here to undo my trolley, right? So my trolley's bolted in through the gunnels the same way, so it can't go anywhere. It's nice and solid, can't move. The winch has taken the weight of the boat now, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'll come over here, get my cordless drill, and I can just bang these off. So when I bang these 4 off, I'll show you, I'll lift the motor out and it'll be all good. Okay, now I've tilted the boat back again. Now I've taken the bottom 2 off the bottom. I've just got 1 more bolt to undo here. Okay, so rip that one off. Okay. Alright, so that one off there. That'll come off like so. Okay, so I've got that off now. Now I want to get my motor out. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. All I have to do is loosen these couple off here. Alright, and they'll drop down like so. Okay. Then I just tilt it back, right? I can adjust these up and tighten them again if I want to, like I can do this, and so it's a bit easier to trolley it if I want to. Okay, let's tighten that up a bit, right? And then I just pull it off, and she just lifts out of the gunnel like so, and I'm on the trolley. Saves me having to bust me back, trying to lift it off the back of the ute or something else. Okay, it's a bit dirty, I haven't had it off for a while. Okay, so now once I've got the boat like that, I want to go and do the rest of the stuff with my boat. Okay, I just set it up like this, pull these legs out, and then these legs will become a stand for it. So then I can leave the motor sitting on the stand like so, like that. Okay, and it ain't going to go anywhere. So it's standing there like that. I use this as well. Sometimes I want to flush my motor out, I can do it on the stand as well. So, and now all I have to do now is lower the rest of the boat down. We'll put it on the trailer, we'll show you that, and then put the motor on, and we're done, we're ready to go fishing. So just take your motor off. Sits on the trolley like so. Just undo your things like so. Push them right off. Okay. Then all I got to do is get from here to the boat. I don't have to lift the motor very far. Then once it's sitting on there, just line it up with the holes of the marks that are there, and just tighten it back up. And she's done. Bob's your uncle, mate. Pretty easy, easier than carrying a motor on your shoulder and busting your ass. Way better. Hopefully this video has given you a few tips on how to travel around Australia in a caravan with your tinny and get into the fish.